Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another video. In today's video, I will show you how you can get the reality images for free. So basically, if you search for some reality pictures on Google, most of them, if not all of them, are completely copyrighted and not free to use. So how you can actually get some free images? What you could do is, for example, go to Google, which is the first step, and go to image, and here we search for reality, and here you go to plus or tools, and here you go to here license Creative Commons, and here you will find the pictures that you can use of realities. Of course, not all of these are really good to use and high quality, but these are the only pictures that you can use without getting hit by any copyright. Of course, there is some other free image stock. So if we want to free image stock, and we want to, for example, this one and this one, so the most popular ones are the Adobe one and the Shutterstock one, and we went and write to reality. So if you came in here, all of these pictures are free to use as long as you are subscribed for this website. So all of these pictures that are so much better from the ones that are on Google, you can use them for free. Of course, there is the same thing on Google Stock. So if you write here reality, and here it goes. Of course, they will be different than the ones that are in here, and they will be, as I said, much better than Google ones. The quality is super good, even better than the this website, which is Shutterstock. Yeah, it goes list. It is so good. You can go even more pages. Here also you can go for other pages. There's like 3K pages. You can go through them and get the best picture for your own good. So yeah guys, that was it with today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and thank you for watching.